Hey, what's up everyone? It's Maru, your Morena Kulot, and welcome to my YouTube channel. After 3 years! Okay, so hindi ko alam kung anong purpose or anong pagpupuntahan ng vlog na to. Pero I just wanted to share that I wanted to do YouTube vlogs again. Honestly, I just want to document my life even more. I feel like nag-pause ako sa life. Now, I'm turning 26. And I feel like I want to document my life more, my achievements, kung ano man mangyari ko, like the milestones. I got a cat, like 2 cats actually, and I moved out. Parang ang dami nangyari in between na sana na-share ko sa inyo. Ayun, this is the purpose of the vlog, just to parang be alive again, to start life again. Kaya I wanted to start doing this again. I wanted to talk to you guys. I just want to share. Ewan ko kung sinong market ko, honestly. I don't regret that I paused. I don't regret that I stopped doing like the vlogs before and being like a content creator before. Kasi I feel like hindi pa ako nasa right mental state. I feel like hindi pa rin ako ready at the time to handle criticisms, mabash, makancel. Okay, so yun, ang dami ko na nasabi, pero basically, this YouTube channel is going to be like documenting my life at 26 and seeing kung ano yung mga changes. Just want something to look back on kapag mas matanda na ako. And then, oh my God, yan paling ginawa ko when I was 26. So parang, kasi ganun yung na-feel ko nung mga previous YouTube videos ko na parang, ayan paling ginawa ko ng 23 ako and I was like, okay, ang ganda, ang saya, you look so happy, you look so bright, you look so young. So kung yun, if that's the same thing that you're feeling and you want to start life again at a certain age, that's totally fine. You can join me in my little journey in documenting my life more. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!